Salimikeni. Good morning. My dear Chief Principal, the board members present, the great teachers of Murang'a High School, the support staff of Murang'a High School, and our dear valued parents. Good morning again. Good morning again. Thank you. Lazima sasa kushika spirit ya Murang'a High School. Joki Mwaura is my name. I am so delighted to be part of this great event where we inducting you to Murang'a High School systems, to the CBE at grade 10. I want to request every person who is fully convinced that within their heart are men. Kama kwa uhakika unajua wewe unakuanga mwanaume, tafadhali simama. If you don't do well, you are a man.
Growing up. And because I am one woman who is so tired of feminine men, vijana wanalewa wanakaa, vijana tu wanaume wa men and they look like men, but in them is a whole woman. Because their reference is a woman who could be a mother, their reference is a woman who could be an auntie, and their reference is a woman in their space. Men, because you're living today, please draw the very critical reference of your son, because it is only that way they will become men. Wanaume wameujawa na umama wametuchokesha. Can I say that louder? Wanaume wameujawa na umama wametuchokesha, because the society will expect the boy child in Murang'a High School to be raised to be a man, act like a man, reason like a man, but they cannot, because the roadmap of growth, there was no man involved. Please draw reference for them.
Allow sensible men in the space of your boy child to seriously take the mantle of mentoring and leading that boy. And even if you have a problem with your husband, please do not allow any problem with the father.
Let the Father be, allow the Father live. Because it is only that way we will be able to bring back we will be able to regain back the esteem, the confidence of the boy child. Otherwise, we are bringing up boy child who are not decisive, boy child who are not related with men. And when time comes and the society calls them to be men, they will never know how because they were never shown how. Let us allow sound men to be part of the growing up journey of the boy child. And finally, men, do not be a perpetrator of any kind of pain in your boy child. Could it be emotional pain? If you have a problem at the family level, shield your children from the emotional pain that I have seen many dysfunctional families expose our boys to, because they carry the pain from within. They carry the burden from within. Wanalilia kidani. So if you have your adult issues, please solve them as adults. But let children be. And let children grow up. And let children grow without childhood bitterness and trauma inflicted by adults in their space, being you and me. This is what makes Murang'a High School a great institution. A porcupine mother or female, wakati iko na joto ya kuzaa, inararishaka nini? Inararisha mishale mwanaume apate jina. When the porcupine female is ready for fertilization, wamama anasemanga ovulation, wakati iko ovulation, when it is ready for fertilization, inararishaka mishale mwanaume apate nini? And that way, when mishale imerarishwa, the porcupine male is able to mate and give the sperm that ensures that the generation of the porcupine is never extinct, even when the mishale is always ready to attack back to give a distance. Dear parents, the reason why Murang'a High School in the year 2025 was number 3 nationally in its KCSE results ni kwa sababu wazazi tunaokuanga na wao wanakuchanga hapa, wanalalisha mishale, walimu wanalalisha yao, tunazalisha grades. And not just grades, but quality grades. Dear parents, the reason why Murang'a High School is in the academic map of this country is because when the parents join this great institution, you are able to appreciate what your predecessors have done. You are able to appreciate our gaps, and you are able to be part of this system to solve our gaps for the next 3 years, because Murang'a High School in the next 3 years will just write a generational story in your son, and not a story as an institution, but a story to your own individual son. To your own individual son. Therefore, when you join us as 1,000 as you are in grade 10, therefore, as you join us as 2,000 as you may be both parents in grade 10, one thing that I must assure you is that the school understands its assignment. When you see Mr. Kulia here, a very well-known educationist in this country, leading a group of quality determined committed teachers who does not just teach the boy child, but bring out the greatness in the boy child, then you can only dine in that experience. Munalisha mishale, kuzalisha grades. So if you're here as a parent, from whatever capacity you hold in this country, from whatever capacity you hold in your workplace, in Murang'a High School, we don't deal with titles, we deal with parents. Please do not ever usiwahi toa kadi yako ya title kuintimidate any of us, because we are not interested in any other person you are. We are interested with you as a great stakeholder and a great partner as a parent currently in Murang'a High School. come because you are that or this. You simply came because you have a son, the future of your family, seated in Murang'a High School, where you entrust the system of Murang'a High School to call out the academic greatness in them, because we are capable, we will, and we shall. That be assured. But si kila mtu akona kazi yake. Kila mtu akona kazi yake. Kazi ya mwalimu with the CBE system. I want to congratulate you all, grade 10 parents, because you were able to navigate through the different challenges of a new system that was not known to many, including the facilitators in your primary schools. Your resilience have been tested and seen. You have supported with all the materials. Mpaka kuku za kuchinja mulipeana, si ndio? Mpaka mayai mulipeana, wasome kupika mayai, si ni ukweli? Yes, that resilience we have seen. And as the pioneers of grade 10, remember Mr. Kareibi, who is the academic deputy principal here, is now also trying to navigate through the scene